checking out Cosmo Bazaar Mall. This is a medium-sized mall right around Muang Thong, Bangkok, Thailand. This place has tons and tons of different variety of food to choose from. And let's check out some of the food stalls. We have noodle dishes, rice dishes. We have different variety of food from northern Thailand, southern Thailand, and many other parts. Prices on some of the food dishes is from $1 to $5. You can see there's still lots of empty table. The mall had just opened about 10 o'clock. You come here right around lunchtime until closing, very crowded. You won't be able to find a seat. There's also a Dairy Queen to the left. I remember buying a durian soft ice cream. It was delicious. Looking around the food court, there's lots of food. Love to eat and try different things. Wish I could try everything in this mall. Plenty of food vendors. You can also find desserts. There's also lots of cake, pastry. There's also sushi. I believe the sushi at this vendor is $2 for a quarter. Lots more cake. Some of the vendors are still setting up, getting ready for the lunch crowd. Right side, you have lots of barbecue or grill, fish and meat on the stick. A couple of curry dishes in the bag. There's also grilled shrimp or squid. Lots more restaurant towards the side, to the left side. And more snacks. To the left we have Roti Sai Mai. It's a Thai cotton candy. I believe this is hor mok. It's a minced fish mixed with curry, cooked in a steam. We have some seaweed rolls and more restaurants. Few sushi and ramen restaurant. To the left is a dessert cafe. They have great cakes and ice cream. Swensen. On the right side, you can find lots of traditional Thai food, lots of curry, rice, and meat dishes. This is my first time doing a food walking tour. Next time I'll be sure to do an up close, some of the food items. Here we have some duck over rice or duck noodle dishes. try to walk down every food aisle so you and I can see what's available. This is dried fish or squid snack. Stay around Muang Thong, wouldn't have to go anywhere else for food. There's so many varieties here. This place gets super busy. When there's a convention at the convention center or a concert, the venue is just 2 blocks away. You got ice cream on a cone. Price is $1 to $2. Lots of different flavor. Lots of exotic Thai flavor. This is one of my favorite stores. They have a lot of Thai desserts. I believe I tried everything at this booth. Every time I visit Thailand, I make sure I stop by here. Just try something different every time. My favorite ones are anything with coconut, mango, durian, mung bean, taro. Every time I visit Thailand, I gotta try as many desserts as I can. Well, those are the top. Everything else is very good also. Not sure the name of those desserts. They're like taro cake. I haven't tried those two yet, so I'm gonna try it. Oh yeah.
45 ค่ะ
And of course, the price is very cheap. About 25 baht. That's between 75 cents to $1. Yep. This stand, you have different variety of fruit. Mango, jackfruit, grapefruit. This is the second floor of the mall. You have lots of electronic booths where you can get your phone repaired or buy accessories. A few clothing stores, jewelry shops. And on the third floor of this mall, you have a 24-hour gym and also a movie theater. This is the first floor of the mall on the other side of the food court. You have lots more cafe and restaurant. I believe I tried 50% of the restaurant inside this mall. And if you're looking for food trays, you can find them at this supermarket. Price is $1 to $5. I had a couple and it's very delicious. Lots of flavor. If you come here between 8 p.m. and 9, you'll be able to find a discount on the food trays. You can find them at 50% off. But you have to be here at the right time. Once they go on sale, a couple minutes later, they're all gone. So you can see some of the food trays, they're 35 baht. When they're half price, it's only 50 cents. Time for me to find some snacks. This is also one of my favorite. Two are one of my favorite. towards the right is called Saku, a small tapioca pearl rolled into a ball stuffed with peanuts and pork inside. Has a chewy texture.
They're 35 baht a piece.
It's only about $1 a
ไม่
container.
ไปล้างให้แม่แล้วนะ
The Saku has a chewy outer texture with a sweet peanutty pork stuffing inside. You also get a crispy garlic with some chili peppers.
ครับ
Looking at everything, I just want to try it all. Yeah, let's go check out Dairy Cream, see what type of ice cream flavor they have. You have the Blizzard ice cream. You also have hot dogs. I don't see any durian flavor. Might be seasonal. On the way out towards the left, you have more food stalls. Lots of noodle dishes and rice dishes. And thanks for joining me on this walking tour of the Cosmo Bazaar. It's a media mall. Lots of eatery inside this food court. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button for more videos on travel, ride, instant eats, and games. And I'll see you in the next upload.